Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team is called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, this is part 3 of a series of story events, Shining Star, because, we have to collect event, or rather, whatchamacallit? You have to collect travel tokens in order to progress through this event. And with that said, I think we collected quite a lot. We have 541 we collected. We farmed a lot this time. So I think we can finish everything right now. So we're just going to collect everything out of these items. Making a reverse S, but you can actually proceed in any way you want as long as the path is available. Yes! Gym leader notes, 4 of them. And with that said, time to reach the checkpoint. Main area complete. That was stunning, SPL Gum. You never fail to dazzle me with your talent. But sub-areas, 1 out of 10 only. I'm curious as to how many, or is the next part full of sub-areas?
Excuse me.
Poor you.
Congratulations are in order.
Thanks. Huh? Hey. Pretty please?
I see.
All right. Please. Hey,
Sure thing.
thanks. My beloved Pokemon's gonna make your head spin.
And complete, guys. I wonder what happens after this. Map 5 start. Congratulations, you completed all of this story's main areas. Next, try going back and unlocking the sub areas. I see. So how do we go back? Is this back? Is this back? Because I have no idea what's back. But guys, we have more than enough. I think I will try to collect all these first. I see gym leader notes over there. I'll collect the bottom one first, guys. I do think we can progress here. We can finish all these. Or not. We'll see, guys. I'm collecting this one. Head spinning enthusiasm. New area. Wait for an opening and hit it hard.
Love it. Sweet. Thanks.
We're just getting started.
Pretty please?
So the show's over. Gems, and more gems, guys. Let's continue walking. Where am I? Where am I located right now? I'm going this route. How much? 20. Ta-da! 2 Elite 4 notes, guys. Moving on. Let's try to get this second one. Need 20 to unlock this. New area, guys. Best buddies.
Are
This
you
is
serious?
like sync pair stories, but separate.
Hey,
Does Rotom always pull pranks? Guys, I think I will make a sync pair story thing about this. I mean, just all these cutscenes later on when it's complete.
sweet.
And then we teamed up with Sabrina and Fantina. Okay, moving on, guys. Let's get these items this time. Photo shoot frenzy. New area.
Hey,
Ooh, new area, guys. Alright, let's shoot some photos. Guys, we're planning a Pokemon Masters photo shoot. Rotom's the photographer, right? Rotom phone. Whoa, what's this? Oh, it looks like it's some sort of an adventure.
hey. Pretty please? Yeah? I got this.
Are these ghosts? Scary. Nothing there. How about you?
Hey.
Oh, is this the doctor that really wants to meet
Shall we?
Alyssa? Chansey! What the heck? Oh boy.
Yeah? Pretty please? All right.
Oh my goodness. So far. We can even see the arena. There's so much ocean.
Sweet. Thanks. Just fantastique. All right. Please.
Butterfree. You didn't say Butterfree. And that's, guys, that is it. We continue. Great Tectonic. Now I'm even not sure already if we have enough travel tokens, guys. I think we're gonna run out really soon. 38 8 plus, awesome. Getting this 1-star level up manual. We won't have enough. And moving on, traveling to the next area.
Sweet.
That was stunning, SPL Gum. You never fail to dazzle me with your talent. So now what? Oh my gosh, so many maps, guys. I think we're gonna run out. I need to collect more, guys. I need to collect more. I didn't expect this to be this crazy. So with that said, I'll see you in another part of this story event. My goodness. See you later, guys. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe. Rawr.